Here's a quick tour of the visitor profile inside Lucky Orange. One of the main ways that you would access the visitor profile inside Lucky Orange is inside visitors. So visitors is the view of every visitor to your site. It's where you'd access session recordings and filter by things like optimizable segments. For this example, I've added a series of filters to represent people who are on their second or greater visit, who arrived from Google, spent between 5 and 10 minutes on the site, and landed on this blog post about website heat maps. If I want to get a quick view of the visitor profile, I can click over the icon here next to their name, and it brings up a right-hand sidebar view of the visitor profile part of it. So we see their device, their operating system, their browser, their original source, their email address, phone number, ID, and all sorts of other information that we can acquire about them over time. If the person's still live on your site, you can click message and open a live chat window to message them directly while they're still browsing. But if we want to see the full profile, we can click full profile, and this takes us into what is actually the visitor profile. Now inside here, this represents every piece of information that you have about this visitor. Some fields are editable, like their name, their email address, phone number, ID, any other information that we collect with them through integrations or custom user data. And then the main element here is this right side, which represents all of their sessions. So for example, this visitor has 53 sessions on the Lucky Orange website. We can see in this most recent session that they spent 18 minutes and 22 seconds with us. From here, I can scroll down 52, 51, 50, all the way back to their original session. And I can see things as far back as my data retention allows for within my subscription.